Good evening, all of you. Today we are discussing the problems in rotational mechanical system. So in the last class we are discussing what is rotational mechanical system, what is translational mechanical system, what are the main elements used in translational, rotational, how to calculate the transfer function of rotational and translational. Today we are discussing the write the differential equations governing the mechanical rotational mechanical system and find its transfer function. Okay, so one of the rotational mechanical system is on screen. J1 applied torque T. This is theta 1 angular displacement. K J2 theta 2 and B2. This is the rotational mechanical system. First, note down the free body diagram of J1. Same process, we are calculating the transfer function in translational mechanical system as usually in a rotational also. Okay, so free body diagram of J1. So J1 applied torque is one side and the angular displacement theta 1 and the opposing torques. So J1 is sum of the opposing torque Tj1, K is also opposing torque Tk, Tj1 and Tk. Same process from Newton's second law. What is the statement of Newton's second law? It's Newton's second law states that sum of applied torque is equal to sum of the opposing torques. Applied torque is T, opposing torques Tj1 plus Tk, Tj1 plus Tk. J element, moment of inertia, opposing torque is directly proportional to angular acceleration. Angular acceleration. What is angular acceleration? J1 d square theta 1 by dt square plus k into theta 1 minus theta 2. K element is connecting between the two angular displacements theta 1 and theta 2. So k into theta 1 minus theta 2. Clear? So J element, moment of inertia is opposing torque, is directly proportional to the angular acceleration. Angular acceleration is 2 times the differentiation of angular displacement. Okay. So in K element, spring element opposing torque is directly proportional to the angular displacement. Angular displacement theta 1 and the second angular displacement theta 2. So K into theta 1 minus theta 2. Apply Laplace transform on equation 1. T of S. J1 is same constant. D square by dt square ki Laplace transform S square. S square into theta 1 of S. K of theta 1 of S minus theta 2 of S. In theta 1 of S is separated. So theta 1 of S is common. J1 S square plus K minus theta 2 into K. So theta 1 of S is separated. Theta 1 of S is equal to T of S plus K into theta 2 of S by J1 S square plus K. సో ఇలా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదమ్మా. సో ఈక్వేషన్ ఇలాగే ఉంచేసేయండి. దిస్ ఈస్ ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ J2 ఇదేనా? సో దీనికి ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ J2, moment of inertia 2, opposing torque opposing J2, K and B2. So Tj2, Tk, Tb2. Same process. Tk plus Tj2 plus Tb. In the applied torque is only J1 element. J2 element is there is no applied torque. So applied torque is second moment of inertia is 0. So K into theta 2 minus theta 1. So consider theta 2 is first one, theta 1 is second one. theta 2 minus theta 1, k into theta 2 minus theta 1 plus J2 is opposing torque is directly proportional to angular acceleration. So what is angular acceleration? J2 into d square theta 2 by dt square, 2 times differentiation of angular displacement. J2 కి ఇచ్చిన angular displacement ఏంటి? theta 2. So J2 into d square by dt square theta 2 plus B element is connecting only second moment of inertia. B is connecting only second angular displacement. So B into d by dt of theta 2 is equal to 0. So apply Laplace transform. K into theta 2 of s minus theta 1 of s plus J2 into s square into theta 2 of s bs into theta 2 of s. So theta 2 of s ని separate చేస్తున్నా. theta 2 of s ని ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమా ఇక్కడ theta 2 of s లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. theta 1 of s ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, ఈ టర్మ్ కూడా theta 1 of s వస్తుంది. సో ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ theta 1 of s by t of s. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్. సో ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్తా వినండి. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ J1 కి కనెక్ట్ అయిన ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని నోట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ J2 కి కనెక్ట్ అయిన ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని రాయండి. న్యూటన్స్ సెకండ్ లా సమ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లైడ్ టార్క్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ అపోజింగ్ టార్క్స్. అప్లైడ్ టార్క్ ఏముంది? T. అపోజింగ్ టార్క్స్ TJ1 TK. నెక్స్ట్ టార్క్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. టార్క్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. సో ద టార్క్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ నోట్ చేశాను. అప్లై లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్. లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ d by dt కి s, d square by dt square కి s square, theta 1 కి theta 1 of s. ఈక్వేషన్ 1. సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ కి ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ నోట్ చేసా. న్యూటన్స్ సెకండ్ లా సమ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లైడ్ టార్క్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అపోజింగ్ టార్క్స్ అండ్ టార్క్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అండ్ ద సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ theta 2 of s by t of s క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒక ప్రాబ్లం, సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం. డిటర్మైన్ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ సిస్టమ్. సో ఇక్కడ మాస్ 1 అండ్ మాస్ 2 రెండు ఇచ్చాడు. అప్లైడ్ ఫోర్స్ f of t, k1 b, k2 ఏడ సెకండ్ మాస్ ఉంది. ఏమా? సో ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ 1 ఆల్రెడీ ట్రాన్స్లేషనల్ మెకానికల్ సిస్టమ్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేశాం. వాట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ 1? మాస్ 1 కి ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాయి చూసుకోండి. మాస్ 1 కనెక్టింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమన్నాయో చూడండి. ఇదేనా మాస్ 1? ఇది ప్రాబ్లం. దీనికి మనం డిటర్మైన్ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద సిస్టమ్. దీనికి మనం ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. సో మాస్ 1, displacement y1, applied force f of t. In this translational mechanical system, applied force f of t, displacement y1 and the opposing torque, opposing force m1, k1, b, k2. fm1, fk1, fb, fk2 మాస్ 1 కి కనెక్ట్ అయిన ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమున్నాయో చూసుకోండి. ఏమున్నాయి? m1, k1, b, k2. ఓన్లీ 4 applied force f of t and the opposing forces fm1, fk1, fb, fk2. ఏంటమ్మా? సో mass 1, k1, b and k2. These four are the opposing forces. Okay, so free body diagram, fm1, fk1, fk2, fb. Four opposing forces. Applied force is f of t. Okay, by Newton's second law states that sum of applied forces is equal to sum of opposing forces. Applied force is f of t, opposing forces fm1, fk1, fb, fk2. And f of t is equal to m1 d square y1 by dt square. In force balance equations, mass element opposing force is directly proportional to acceleration of the body. Acceleration means 2 times the differentiation of displacement, d square by dt square y1. K1 is connecting only first mass, so K1 into y1. B also connecting only mass 1, B into dy1 by dt. A K2 element is connecting between first mass and second mass. K2 element is connecting between first mass and second mass. Check cheyandi. K2 element is connecting mass 1 and mass 2. రెండిట్ల మధ్యలో కనెక్ట్ అయింది. సో K2 into y1 minus y2. K2 into y1 minus y2. Applying Laplace transformation, f of t. So t domain is converted to s domain. T domain is converted to s domain. We are applying the Laplace transformation. So f of s is equal to t domain. F of t is converted to Laplace transform is f of s. F of s is equal to m1 d square by dt square ki Laplace transform s square y1 of s k1 into y1 of s plus b Laplace transform of d by dt s y1 of s k2 into y1 of s minus y2 of s. So y1 of s is common, m1s square plus k1 plus bs plus k2 minus y2 of s into k2. So y1 of s is separated, is right hand side. y1 of s is equal to this term. ఇలా సపరేట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు. దీన్నే ఈక్వేషన్ 1 గా నోట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ 2. సో ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇదేనమ్మా మాస్ 2. మాస్ 2 కి ఏం కనెక్ట్ అయింది? ఓన్లీ మాస్ 2 అండ్ k2. ఓన్లీ 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్, మాస్ 2 అండ్ k2. సో మాస్ 2 అండ్ k2, mass 2 and k2. Applied force is not there in mass 2, so applied force is 0. By Newton's second law states that sum of applied forces is equal to sum of opposing forces. Applied force is 0, opposing forces fm2 plus fk2. Mass element opposing force directly proportional to acceleration, m2 d square by dt square into y2. K2 is directly proportional to displacement, y2 minus y1. Applying Laplace transformation, m2 s square into y2 of s, k2 into y2 of s minus y1 of s is equal to 0. y2 of s is common, m2 s square plus k2 minus k2 into y1 of s is equal to 0. So ఈ y2 of s ని y1 of s ని separate చేయండి in terms of y2 and y2 is substitute this place y1 in terms of y2 ఉంది కదమ్మా, ఇది ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లో. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ y2 of s by f of s వస్తుంది. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ y2 of s by f of s. It's very simple problem. Okay, next, write the differential governing mechanical rotational system and find its transfer function. So ఇందాక మనం 2 problems translational లో చేసాం, 2 problems rotational mechanical system చేసాం. So today we are post all the material in first unit in translational rotational problems అన్ని ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. And write the differential governing the mechanical rotational system and its transfer function. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, J1 applied torque T, angular displacement theta1, angular displacement J2 theta. K, B connecting between J1 and J2. B element is connecting only J2. First, free body diagram of J1. ఏమేం కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాయి J1 కి? TJ1, TK, TB1, TJ1, TK, TB1. All of you clear? J1 కి కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాయి TJ1, TK, TB1, TJ1, TB1, TK. By Newton's second law states that sum of applied torque is equal to sum of opposing torques. TJ1 plus TB1 plus TK is equal to T. Moment of inertia opposing torque TJ is directly proportional to angular acceleration. What is angular acceleration? 2 times the differentiation of angular displacement. D square by dt square theta1. B element opposing torque is directly proportional to angular velocity, but B1 is connecting between the 2 angular displacements theta1 and theta. So d by dt of theta1 minus theta. Note down the theta1 minus theta. B1 d by dt of theta1 minus theta. K element also connecting theta1 and theta. So K into theta1 minus theta. Applying Laplace transformation, we get d square by dt square s square. D by dt s. So J1 s square into theta1 of s plus B1 d by dt is s into theta1 of s minus theta of s plus k into theta1 of s minus theta of s. And the second free body diagram of J2. So all of you see J2, TJ2, B element is connecting only J2, TB, TK is connecting only J2 and J1, B1 is also connecting J2 and J1. So TK, TB1, TJ2 and TB. By Newton's second law, sum of applied torques 0. There is no applied torque in this rotational mechanical system J2. Only applied torque is only J1. So J2 is applied torque 0. J2 applied torque 0. Opposing torques TJ2, TB1, TB, TK. These four are the opposing torques. Applied torque is 0. K element is connecting theta and theta 1. B1 is also connecting. All of you check. K element is connecting J2 and J1. B1 connecting J2 and J1. So K into theta minus theta 1 plus B1 into d by dt of theta minus theta 1. J2 element is opposing torque is directly proportional to the angular acceleration d square by dt square theta. B is directly proportional to angular velocity b into d by dt of theta is equal to 0. Applying Laplace transformation, so applying Laplace transformation, so theta of s minus theta 1 of s, b1 d by dt Laplace transform s into theta of s minus theta 1 of s, j2 Laplace transform of d square by dt square, s square into theta of s, ds into theta of s. So separated the terms theta of s and theta 1 of s. So separated substitution and the transfer function theta of s by t of s. This is the Laplace transform of output. Output is theta of s displacement, angular displacement, and the input is applied torque T of s, theta of s by T of s. This is the transfer function of given rotational mechanical system. So all of you see these problems. It's very simple. Mass 1 and mass 2 connecting elements, free body diagram, Newton's second law, and the Laplace transformation, second free body diagram, applied forces, opposing forces, Newton's second law, applying Laplace transformation. So in this Laplace transformation, Laplace transform of d square by dt square s square, Laplace transform of d by dt s, Laplace transform of t domain is s domain, x2 of s, x1 of s, f of t f of s. So after that substitution in the rotational mechanical system, you are used main elements. J is moment of inertia, B is frictional coefficient or dashpot, K is spring element, theta is angular displacement, d theta by dt angular velocity, d square theta by dt square angular acceleration, T is applied torque, and the rotational mechanical system Tj moment of inertia opposing torque Tj, Tb frictional coefficient opposing torque, Tk spring element opposing torque, Tj, Tb, Tk moment of inertia opposing torque, frictional coefficient opposing torque, spring element opposing torque. These three are main used in rotational mechanical system. Tj moment of inertia opposing torque is directly proportional to angular acceleration. B element opposing torque is directly proportional to angular velocity. Tk spring element opposing torque is directly proportional to angular displacement. అవేనమ్మా రాసాం మనం. Moment of inertia Tj is directly proportional to angular acceleration. Tb is directly proportional to angular velocity. Tk is directly proportional to angular displacement. And the simple problems, free body diagram of J1, Newton's second law, apply Laplace transformation, and the second one also same process. Okay.